Hi guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Garage, where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing two Koenigsegg models from HKM. But before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe and comment any new models you would like me to check out. But without further ado, let's jump straight in. Starting off first, we have this HKM Premium Koenigsegg Jesco. As you can see, it comes in this really nice deep blue. But to start off, you can see that the packaging is just the standard sleeve design, which, like I do mention, can get easily damaged, and as you can see, it has got a slight little crease on the one side, which is a little bit unfortunate, and the cardboard has started to bow out on a little bit of the sides, which again is a little bit unfortunate, but it's not really the end of the world. But the actual model itself is absolutely gorgeous. It's so well done, and it's displayed absolutely perfectly just on the base as well. You can see obviously just held on by two screws, just like majority of the models are the one or two screws are holding them on. And as you can see, this model is also numbered as well to 842 out of 999. But as you can see, the model on the base, like I say, looks really clean, coming on this nice heavy acrylic base with the two layers, the white and the black, obviously contrasting the blue really nicely. But now with the model off the base and up close, you can see a bit more of the detail on the actual model. Just like the perforated brake discs, unfortunately the wheels don't spin on the front, and you can see that they do spin on the back very freely. There is a black brake caliper as well, which is visible but not too much, obviously being black. Obviously the discs being vented as well, very cool. The carbon effects are very nice, with the Jesco plate also coming in a nice carbon effect, with the struts for the spoiler and the edge of the spoiler also carbon. You can see the wing mirrors also having that carbon effect, and the canards on the front of the hood also being carbon too, as well as the splitter as well. Even the interior on the center console has a tiny carbon effect, which is really cool to see, as you can't really see too much of the interior. Obviously, like I mentioned in the previous video, the black on the black does tend to hide that a lot. But like I say, the detail is very nice on this model. Proportionally, it's very well done as well. You can see the vents are nice and deep, and it looks very good in a diorama. You can see the chrome or the silver wheels really contrast the model very nicely, and the carbon effect is also done extremely well. You can see it fits in a diorama absolutely perfectly, like I mentioned, and like I say, it looks very real. The headlights and the tail lights are very well proportioned, and the badge front and rear you can see as well. HKM do produce some very nice models, and I will definitely be checking more out, especially some more Koenigseggs as well, which you will see on the channel. So if you do like this sort of stuff, make sure to subscribe. But that now brings us on to the second HKM model, which is just the standard HKM model, which is the 1:1, which obviously, if you didn't know, is the weighted 1:1 power to weight ratio Koenigsegg, which is still a world's first to this day. But enough about that. You can see, just like the previous HKM Premium Koenigsegg, you can see it's got the same exact crease on the same side, just like the sleeve design, with the bowing effect on the card as well. But you can see, just like the other Koenigsegg as well, held on by one screw onto a nice acrylic base, but this time having the clear layer on the bottom instead of the black, still complementing the car very nicely. You can see, unfortunately, this model is not numbered, unlike the premium versions, but you can see that this model is full carbon, which in my opinion does kind of make up for that. Now, there is 3 colour variations of this model, which you will see at the end of the video, so make sure to stay around for that. But you can see that the blue on the white base contrasts it very nicely, just like the previous model. Also, like the previous model, you can see this model is very well made. You can see the paint application is very well done. Obviously, like I say, it's been a full carbon effect, which is very nicely done as well. You can also see the wheels are fixed with a vented or perforated brake disc with a bright red caliper, which really stands out behind the 5-spoke wheels. But like I say, this car is full carbon, and the effect is really well done. You can see the carbon weave is very nice, even in the blue. Now, a full carbon car can look a bit tacky, and sometimes even just carbon effects can look tacky as well. But you can see HKM have got this right both on the premium and the regular version. You can see the rear of the model is very well proportioned, with that grille piece and the 1:1, also the tail lights being very well done as well. You can also see the 1-to-1 written on the side very clearly and very prominent. The white on the effect or the accents also really stands out. And on the front of the model you can also see the headlights are very well done and the badge is very prominent as well. You can see it when looking up close. And as you can also see, this model looks very good in the diorama as well. It's proportioned very well and you can see it just stands out so much. That carbon effect really makes this model stand out, as you can see, like I say, with the white accents. Obviously the detail is absolutely phenomenal, and like I say, proportionally it's very well done as well. You can see it fits right in the diorama and it would definitely want for my collection. But I did mention that this model comes in multiple colour variations, which you will see here. As you can see, it also comes in a really nice green carbon as well, which, as you can see, the green is really nice and really deep, just like the blue. And it also comes in a nice deep red, which you will also see as well. But you can see it comes on the same base as the blue. Will come in the exact same packaging, but obviously the colour is just the only difference. Now, if you do want to purchase any of these models, they are available on the Facebook page down below, so make sure to head into the description and head over to there. But I am going to wrap this video up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you are new, as we are so close to hitting 400 subscribers, so that'll be very much appreciated. But like I say, if there are any new cars you would like me to check out, please do let me know in the comments. And like I say, while you're there, make sure to smash that like button. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.